Hi everyone. Now I will introduce myself first. My name is Nunu Sulisanisi and I'm from 5th C class, and today I will explain my mini lesson plan for teaching listening in junior high school. And I want to tell you the topic of this lesson plan is listening practice using the ELO platform. Okay, in a sample of mini lesson plan, there is objective, student activities, teacher's role, use technology, how teach support pedagogy, and the last is how teach support content. Maybe the first is objective. The main objective of this lesson is that a student can identify the main ideas and key details from the audio, and they can also learn new vocabulary with a good listening comprehension through ELO platform. This objective is important because it helps students develop better listening skill and understanding English in a real context, not only from the textbook. Okay, the second is student activities. Maybe for the learning activities, I divide them into several steps. The first is I start with a short warm-up activity using a fun game called Whisper Challenge. This game helps students prepare and activate their listening skill in a relaxed way. Okay, the next is I will give students instruction about the listening tasks so they understand what they need to do. And then student will listen to one short audio clip from the ELO platform, and the audio will be played 3 times to help student understand the content better. After listening, student will discuss their answer in a pairs to promote collaboration and communication. After that, they will complete a short task by filling in the blanks using a puzzle activity provided on the ELO platform. Okay, the next is student will listen again to confirm the answer. And finally, student will highlight new vocabulary from the audio and write new sentence using those vocabulary words. In these activities are designed step by step from simple warm-up to the main tasks, so students stay engaged and do not feel overwhelmed. Okay, the next is there is teacher roles. As the teacher, my role in the lesson is to select the suitable audio based on student level. And I will introduce the topic and help students make prediction before listening. So, I give clear instructions starting from general listening to more specific detailed listening. And I guided vocabulary explanation, pronunciation practice, and also monitor their work during the discussion and activity. At the end of the session, I give feedback on their comprehension and pronunciation. This means that the teacher is not only delivering content but also acting as a facilitator who supports students through the learning process. Okay, the next is there is use technology. In this lesson, I use the ELO platform because it provides audio listening material, transcript, and build quizzes. So the technology support learning by making listening activities more interactive. In this technology is chosen because it supports independent learning, provide authentic listening practice, and make the learning process more interactive. Okay, the next is there is how teach support pedagogy. Using ELO helps support the listening process because students can listen repeatedly, which help them understand them more deeply. It also encourages active learning because students work in a pairs and complete interactive tasks. Okay, in a pedagogy this approach increases student engagement and helps students understand the material more deeply through guided stage. Okay, the last is there is how teach support content. For the content, this lesson help improve students' listening skill, vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Students also learn vocabulary in a real and a meaningful context. The platform also help the teacher give clear correction and suggestion during the activity. In this part, so that the lesson does not only focus on the listening but also strength vocabulary and overall English language ability. Okay guys, so that is my mini lesson plan for listening using the ELO platform. I believe these lesson plans will be engaging, interactive, and useful for the student improve their English listening skill. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.